Hi, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10-inch model B3-A40, and I'm gonna show you how to hard reset this device by using the system settings. First, we need to open the settings. To do it, simply swipe left on the screen to go to the next page, right here, and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and tap on backup and reset. Here select option called factory data reset. Then tap on reset tablet. And finally tap on erase everything to confirm and start the resetting process. And when this screen appears, that means that the hard reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.